Faith. Faith is the ability to see things that doesn't exist. Faith though can turn difficulties into realities, positive realities. Good evening everyone. I am Ankit Sharma. By profession I am a design engineer and I am an affiliate marketer, son of a super lovable family. So today I am going to share my views on the topic faith. Yes. Faith is the ability to see things that doesn't exist. If we have faith, we can do anything in the world. If we have faith upon ourselves, we can do impossible things. Are you with me? Say yes. Because I am right. Faith is the only thing by which we can develop our imagination power, imagination skills. Because when we start imagine the things, after that we can take actions according to that. After that we can convert our imagination into reality. But first of all, we need to imagine, and for imagine we need to have faith upon ourselves. We all know that for doing anything we need to have faith upon ourselves or on the others as well, because whatever we do we have to do 100% or have the faith upon ourselves. Do you agree with me? Say yes. Okay, do you want to listen a story regarding faith, that how faith can change the things, not for the single person but for the whole world? Let me tell you a story first. Do you remember 1983 World Cup? 1983 World Cup, Mr. Kapil Dev. In that World Cup, no people has the trust on our team, that is Indian team, that we can't win. Not even the people, but the player as well didn't have the confidence for lifting that cup. But except one player, our Indian cricket team captain, that was Mr. Kapil Dev, also known as Haryana Hurricane. He had that faith upon himself that he can lift that cup for his team, for his country. As the tournament progresses, we were started winning the matches, and as we start winning the matches, all the players got the confidence that yes, we can do this, we can lift this cup. And at the end we all know what happened. Rest the history. We won that World Cup. Mr. Kapil Dev lift the World Cup in the balcony of Lords. Is that the because of the players? No. That is because of the faith in them. They have the faith that yes, they can win. They have the faith upon their skills. Now see, you can understand that how faith can change not just the fortune of one team, but for the rest of the Indian cricket team, or you can say the world as well. That was the faith only. If you have faith upon yourself, you can do wonders. You can rule the world only when you have faith upon yourself. No matter what your height is, age is, color, nothing matters in front of faith. Believe. You need to believe upon yourself to get success in your life. May people will distract you, but you don't need to distract by them. You need to focus on your aim and just start working for that. You need to start working for that. and you need to believe upon yourself that yes, I am giving my 100% and my time will come. You need to believe that, and for that you need to have faith upon yourself. If Thomas Alva Edison don't have the faith upon himself, then how can he invent bulb? If Wright brothers didn't have the courage, or you can say faith upon themselves, then how can they invent airplane? If Graham Bell didn't have the faith upon himself, then how can he create, or you can say invent telephone? I don't think they can't develop or invent. Is the faith, yes, we can do that, we can do this. That's why they achieved their milestones, respective milestones. So I hope you understand that the power of faith, that how faith can change your destiny, how faith can change your fortune. As we all know, fortune favors the brave, but fortunes only help you only when you have faith upon yourself. You see, all these things are interconnected. So as I say, faith is the ability to see things that doesn't exist. If I have the faith after 5 years I will be the owner of 100 crore rupee house, then yes, I can do that. After 6 years I'll be the owner of BMW and Audi. Yes, I can do that because I have the faith upon myself. Just like me, you need to faith upon yourself as well. For that you need to practice, and please ignore those people who distract you, who demotivate you, because people who don't demotivate you, they already got demotivated and they want that all other people who are more than them, they will not develop. That's the only reason they why demotivates you. So just ignoring them, have faith upon yourself and start growing, brother and sister. Keep hustling, guys, because this is the right time to hustle, grow online business. Because in the epidemic of this corona, we all know that we need to grow on online platform so that you can be financially supportive, financially strong. And how can we do that? By grow on online businesses. And guys, I'm an affiliate marketer, so if you need any help on affiliate marketing, then I will surely can help you. You can just DM me that I want your help. I will surely help you, guys. So I wrap up this video, and I will just ask you two things. Like this video, comment on this video, and share this video, because this video can change your life. This video can change the perspective of the people regarding faith, that how they see faith. So I just request you, like, comment, subscribe and share as well. Thank you. Have a nice day.